Distinguished delegates, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a clear understanding that has emerged from the COVID-19 pandemic is the interlinking relationship between pandemics, sustainable urbanization, inequality, and climate change. The spread of viruses and infections is accelerated by unsustainable urbanism, including agricultural intensification and ecological fragmentation, which is also a cause of climate change. The impact of these pandemics is greater amongst vulnerable groups who often live in urban areas with poor social and urban infrastructure. These interconnected crises require urgent action now before it is too late to create real and lasting change. Yet resources are limited. In this respect, the COVID-19 funding being made available across the world presents a real opportunity for financing integrated solutions for green and resilient urban development that will both reduce the emergence of new pandemics and mitigate the impact of human-induced climate change. In turn, these solutions can improve participation in urban decision-making and mental and physical well-being for citizens. At the city level, voluntary local reviews that support voluntary national reviews in tracking the progress towards achievements of the SDGs provide the opportunities for broad stakeholder involvement and alignment of a broad range of sector goals. Technical innovation can be used to engage local communities in creating climate-resilient neighborhoods, and since 2012, UN Habitat has been working with the creators of Minecraft, a popular computer game that allows players to design their own buildings or cities in a 3D virtual environment in a partnership called Block by Block. The methodology has been used to encourage participation in public space upgrading projects across the world. In Yangon, which is one of the world's cities most at risk due to climate change, the project was implemented in response to the lack of access to communities brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. Minecraft was used to allow residents to develop and visualize water and climate adaptation strategies as part of a holistic design that places high emphasis on well-being. This is just one example of the way that the pandemic response can concretely integrate local climate action planning. COVID-19 recovery planning provides extensive opportunities for improving urban sustainability and fighting against climate change. In this, it is crucial that action plans for the transition to a green and resilient future are also inclusive and just. Right-based recovery requires an emphasis on community-led initiative which actively engage locals in the data collection, decision-making, and impact monitoring. Most importantly, when building back better, cities need to rethink social cohesion mechanisms, building towards a more equitable distribution of resources, towards right-based use of land, housing, water, and energy. Thank you.